We gotta put this in the garage. I forgot about that. What's up, guys? Today we're doing an easy mod on the whip. Wheel spacers. It's classic. Right now we got 15 millimeter in the back. 15s in the back. I bought 20s. So we're gonna swap the 15s to the front and put the 20s in the back.
These are loose. Not loose, but
We had the rears torqued way more.
no, these are just way shorter. Like noticeable.
True. That right there.
You want to throw this one back on immediately, or you just want to do them all at the same time?
Let's do them all at the same time.
Alright. Bigger than NASCAR right there. Pit crew.
Me on Red Bull Ferrari. I meant Red Bull or Ferrari. Red
Combine
Bull.
them. Might as well
Red Bull would be better.
make the new team. Did you already have them lined up?
Yeah.
Can I have just the socket off the impact? Okay, and now I'm not gonna torque them down with this with the impact. I'm just gonna get them tight with the impact, and then we're gonna actually torque them down to 100, which I do 100 on my car. So
Sweet.
Super mods.
We're done.
Super mods. The 15 brought the fully dropped tire all the way out to the. And it still has to settle. So that looks pretty good. Looks a lot better. Oh yeah, even look at the rear. The rear looks good before.
Oh.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks way better.
So we're gonna get it pulled out and then get some shots.
Yep. Okay. That's quiet now.
Yeah. That's pretty gnarly.
No, we should do the intro like that. Hold this real quick. Stop filming me.